Hello and welcome to this new video. It's DC Capital, episode 11, and in this episode I will do a market review about last week's trading, especially on Wednesday, FOMC, and also at the end of the video I will do a market outlook for the upcoming trading week. Okay, let's start on the daily chart for the E-mini NASDAQ100, and what we can see here is that price traded higher into this daily bearish order block. This is Wednesday. Price created the high on Wednesday, and from there it's trading lower, finding the low of the week on Friday, taking out the sell side liquidity of the IBDA data range 60-day low. Let's jump right into the 1 hour chart and the weekly profile for the E-mini NASDAQ100. We can see that price created relative equal highs with buy side liquidity above it, and also there's this bearish daily order block in a premium PD array. At the beginning of the week on Monday and Tuesday, price was held in consolidation or in a tight range, and on Wednesday, FOMC, price traded higher, taking out the buy stops. Buy stops are being covered, and price is also trading into the daily bearish order block. From there, price is trading lower, and it's finding the low of the week on Friday. Also, price rated the interbank price delivery algorithm 60-day low, which is delineated with that red line. On the top right corner, you can also see that template for the classic Wednesday high of the week. Price is trading higher Wednesday into a premium market, premium PD array, which is the daily bearish order block, and from there trading lower to find the low on Friday on close orders time period. This is Monday's trading for the NASDAQ100. We can see that price is trading higher, bullish market structure shift. Price is retracing into this level of fair value, and from there trading higher and rejecting that level really quickly. Notice that this trade is during the New York lunchtime, which is from 12 to 13. And during lunchtime, I personally don't want to participate in the market because I'm looking for high potential setups during the New York Index morning session or the New York Index afternoon session. So in this case, there was this high potential setup in the afternoon session. We have another bullish market structure shift on that candle. Price traded multiple times into this buy side imbalance in here, fair value gap, and from there it is seeking higher prices in a premium market. This is Tuesday's trading prior to FOMC on Wednesday, and in general, one day before a high impact news event like FOMC, for example, I am not expecting large ranges, and therefore I want to be really nimble and quick in the market and only operate at the extreme ends of the range. And this is what you can see here. Price traded lower during London and also traded lower during the morning session, finding its low in the afternoon session. So all sell side has been cleared. Market makers are pairing up orders. They are covering shorts and establishing new long positions. So therefore, I'm looking for longs in the marketplace, and I want to see a bullish market structure shift and some sort of a bullish order flow. This is what we can see here. Price traded higher, bullish market structure shift on that intermediate term high. Price trading lower into a discount market, mitigating this bullish order block, and from there price is trading higher. And as I said earlier, I want to be really nimble and quick, so therefore I'm not aiming for much, I'm not aiming for big moves, and I'm aiming for the buy side liquidity above this short-term high. And finally, as the full profit target, this fair value gap in a premium PD array. Also notice time of day. I'm taking my full profit during the on-close orders time period. This is Wednesday, FOMC trading for the E-mini NASDAQ100. Price traded into the higher time frame premium array and also rated the relative equal highs with buy side liquidity. Price rejected that level and is trading lower with a bearish market structure shift on that intermediate term low, and also price created this fair value gap, sell side imbalance, and this bearish order block. Also, we are operating above the midnight opening price for shorts, which is ideal, and I'm targeting sell side below that low. When it comes to the time of day concepts, I personally want to wait for the 3 p.m. hour, the last hour of the trading day, because in general on FOMC days, during the on-close orders time period, we can see the low or the high of that specific day, which you can see here. And the high probability trade entry is usually occurring during the 9 p.m. to 9:15 time period. I'm not trading FOMC before 9 p.m. because I will give the market time to cause some damage in the marketplace and to trade into a higher time frame PD array. The sweet spot for the on-close orders time period, especially on FOMC days, is from 3:45 p.m. to 4 p.m. Most of the times we can see the low or the high on a FOMC day is being created during this time period. And if you don't believe me, go into your own charts and check that out. This is first day's trading for the NASDAQ100, 15-minute chart, early entry in the extended New York morning session for the index futures. We can see that price is trading lower and is retracing into this sell side imbalance and continues to seek sell side below old lows. First partials are taken below that low, the second partials are taken below that short-term low, and the full take profit has been taken below that short-term low here. Why I am not waiting for lower prices? Because it's post FOMC, it's Thursday, and I'm not expecting large ranges. I'm not expecting a lot of expansion. What I'm expecting is a tight range, some quick profits, and aiming for the low-hanging fruit objective. This is the last trading day of the week. It's Friday, the 2-minute chart for the E-mini NASDAQ100. Price most recently rated the buy side liquidity with buy stops, and shortly after that, price is violating this intermediate term low to the downside and created this fair value gap. This is a short possible entry and aiming for the low hanging fruit objective, sell side liquidity here. With that being said, let's jump right into the market outlook for the upcoming trading week. Welcome to the market outlook for the upcoming trading week. This is the NASDAQ100 daily chart. We can see that right now we are clearly in a risk-off environment. We can see that the US dollar is rallying and really strong, and expecting the index futures to trade lower and seeking sell-side liquidity. My next objective is this low, and I'm expecting price to continue trade lower and taking out the sell stop below this daily low. Market outlook for the US dollar currency index on the daily time frame, strong and precise into my monthly premium PDRA target. Check out my previous episodes and you can see that this 112.27 level on the monthly chart was my target for the last couple of weeks. Market environment, we are in a risk-off environment, and again, when we are in a risk-off environment, we should see that the rates and the yields are declining. We should see that the bonds are in demand, going higher with the US dollar. The CRB index, the commodity index, and the stocks are trading lower usually, and also the currency majors are declining as well. With that being said, I will finish this video here. Also, I want to thank you so much for your kind support, and I really appreciate it. And if you liked the video, just give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe to the channel, as it will help to grow and to build an even bigger community. I wish you all the best for the upcoming trading week, and of course a lot of profits, but always keep in mind to be patient and nimble in those current market conditions. And I see you in episode 12. It's DC Capital.